What's up YouTube, Scrammy here. Got my trusty Sonim XP8 and we're gonna have ourselves a little throwing contest. Got my friend Mike over here. He's gonna demonstrate how hard and how high he can throw this phone. Alright, here we go. Ready? Yep. One more time for good measure. Give her a good chuck. We're going. Damn. Let's go find her. I hear it. I can't see it though. And look at that. Looks perfect. Just for good measure. Alright. And good to go. We are back. Got my Sonim, top of the hill. Here she goes.
Oh boy.
Oh. Gotta find it. I don't think it went quite in the puddle. So let's try this again. Oh, face down. Oh, that is scrumptious. All right, Sonim's still good. Let's try this again. A little bit more water. Oh my God! I actually think it's gone.
Find it, wiener dog.
Oh, I see it. I think. Oh. Look at that. We are golden. Sonim is still going. Like it's nothing. How about some more mud for this puppy? Yeah, that's some good mud right there. Yeah, is this puppy nice and muddy? Again, she just keeps on ticking. Oops, didn't want to video that. Wiener dog. See assistant Mike here again. That's Sonim versus tree. See what happens. Nice. Still going. Oh, another one. Look at this puppy. Like it's nothing. There's a little bit of water in the speaker, but the Sonim still looks good. Nothing. Trying. Can't do so much. It just keeps cooking. The final verdict is in. Nature 0, Sonim 1. Not even a scratch. See ya.